So hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, it's Ufuma. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my LED lights, the LED 660 Pro. It is the Photo. What the you guys, I cannot pronounce this thing. Let me just put it on the screen, let everybody be happy. I've done one of these before, so you can check it out when I unboxed my camera, my Canon M50 camera. You guys, my lashes are falling off and now the remaining strands are giving spider web. Like, I didn't get the normal one everybody was talking about, the newer, like, because one my sister got, she actually even had to return her own because it was not looking nice, to be honest. I went to do my makeup at Makeup Artist. If you follow my Instagram page, you know the particular one I'm talking about. I saw this light there and I was like, I really like the light. I'll just show you guys what it looks like, and yeah, basically. Anyways, yeah, so I got this because lighting my room is really bad. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like without any ring light, just normal lighting. And like, I'm filming this at night, but it still looks basically almost the same during the day, like just maybe a little bit of brightness. I came yesterday, today's today, I came yesterday. I was supposed to get it on Saturday, but you guys, I don't know what's wrong with GIG. It costs 71,000 naira. Like if you're getting it with the battery, 71,000 naira. If you're getting it without the battery, 60,000, which is quite affordable. You get. I want to show you guys like the difference between the light, this my ring light, and this light. So guys, this is it with the LED light. It's actually really bright, which I love, but I feel like it will go better with my phone. This is it without the filter. Comes with two different types of filter, white filter and this one. This, I don't know, it's just giving sunset vibes at this point. I like it without the filter, but with this I feel like, okay, if you want to film like a makeup video, you can really get what you're looking for. Okay, this is it and the ring light together. I don't know if there's any difference because I literally can't see. This thing is freaking bright, like it's on my face, it's blinding me. This one is a little bit more subtle, like the ring light is a little bit more subtle. This I feel blinded, like I can't even see, so that's why I can't even say if it's bright or not, because I literally can't. Like this one, the light is more concentrated than with the ring light. I don't know if that makes sense. Guys, another reason I love this particular light is that you can film with a battery. It comes with a battery, so you can film without light. And this light is not that big that you cannot take it out. Do you get? You can take it out, like when you go to restaurants that are not well lit, you can use it to take pictures. To be honest, if you carry like a big bag, like maybe even a tote bag, it can enter inside and you don't need to start plugging into anything because it has a battery. Do you get? The disadvantage about this light is that I'll say, okay, if you want to get, let's say you want to choose between the ring light and this one, it depends on how long you film for, because if you film for so long, this light is literally turning my eye. I'm not even gonna lie, but I feel like this one is brighter than the ring light. So and the light is more concentrated. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not scattered. It's more on the high side than the ring light. But if you're on a budget, you can still get a ring light but I feel like the two of them together, I love it, love it so much. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So let me know in the comment section which one that you would prefer. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Come to the end of the video. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.